Hello everyone, and this is Mathematic, and in this video I want to spend some time and talk about this thing right here. This thing is called a breadboard. The breadboard is a platform which allows you to quickly assemble the circuit and quickly connect all of the circuit components together. Breadboard is an alternative to soldering, where you need to physically connect all of the components together, and this can take you some time to do. So using a breadboard allows you to save a lot of time. Breadboards vary in size from small to large. These two are one of the most common breadboards you will see. Also, there are small tabs and notches on the side of the breadboard, which allows you to connect two breadboards together. But for most of the beginner projects, you will need only one breadboard. The way breadboards allow you to connect circuit components together is that there are metal conductor clips located inside each row and column in the breadboard. Let me rip the backside of the breadboard off and show you what's located inside. As you see, there is a metal clip located inside the breadboard, and when you insert a circuit component inside, it gets stuck in it. Now let's get into some theory and see how the components are being connected on the breadboard. First, let's look at two vertical columns on the left. If you notice, these two columns are labeled with a plus and a minus sign, and the reason for that is that these two columns are usually used to connect the circuit components with the power source. So the way the current travels here is all the way from top to bottom, and the current stays within one column. So for example, if the current is applied to the plus sign column, the current will only stay within this column, and the only components which will get the current are the ones connected to the plus column. So the plus and the minus columns are not connected together. Now let's look at the rows on the right. So the connection for every single row is only 5 ports for this example, and the row on the right is not connected with the row on the left. These two are different connections. Every single row is not connected with the rows on top or bottom. These are also considered different connections. This is the final drawing of every single connection in each row and column on the breadboard. Let me show you an example by building a simple circuit. First, let me connect the battery source to the plus and minus columns. The red wire is usually used to represent the positive polarity, and the black wire usually represents the negative polarity. Then let me connect the positive column with one of the rows by connecting them with a wire. Next, I insert the longer side of the LED into a row which is connected to the plus column. Next, what I do is insert a resistor on the other side of the LED, so the LED won't burn out from being exposed to too much power when connected to a battery. Then I connect the other side of the resistor with the minus column by using a jumper wire. So now we have created a circuit, and let me explain how the current will travel. So the current will start at the plus sign, then go down to the column, enter the jumper wire, then go to the other row, then enter an LED, make it glow, leave the LED from the other side, enter and leave the resistor, then through another wire enter the minus column and go back to the battery, thus creating a complete circuit. This is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the upcoming videos. Goodbye.